Hi guys, this is a tutorial on how to watch videos on Coursera with dual subtitles. To watch the video for free, make sure you already had an account on Coursera. And then you can choose any course that you're interested in. For example, I would choose a course named Meta Marketing Analytics. Roll down and then click on Course. Here you will find a lot of lessons and you can choose any lesson that you want. For example, I will start with the foundation. And then click on Enroll for free. Next, there's two options. You can start a free trial for a week, or you can audit the course, which means that there are some courses that you cannot access. Finally, choose a video that you would like to learn. For example, I will start with the introductions. To watch the video with dual subtitles, you may Google the term eJOY extension. And what we are looking for is right on the top, the eJOY AI Dictionary of Chrome Web Store. Choose Add to Chrome and then wait for a few seconds. When you have successfully downloaded the extension, the screen would look like this. You would sign in for the step 1, and you can watch some tutorial in the step 2. The dual subtitle feature is only free on YouTube, so if you want to watch it on Coursera, you may have to upgrade to Pro plans. After downloading the eJOY extensions, come back to the Coursera web and reload. To turn on the dual subtitles, click on the water drop icon and then set the language for the original subtitles and the translation subtitles. For example, I would choose English for the original subs and Vietnamese for the translation. You can also use the machine translations if the translation subtitles is not available.
Doing SEO as a freelancer.
To adjust the color and the font size of the subtitles, click on Full Settings. You can adjust the original, the translations, the machine translation, and the phonetics. For example, for the original subs, I would choose a small font size and the color blue. And for the translations, I would choose the color yellow.
And I'll be your instructor for many of these lessons.
This dual subtitle feature is used similarly on other platforms like YouTube or Netflix.